This 20th trading week of 2012 comes to a close with investors assessing the deteriorating situation in Greece and closely monitoring the IPO of Facebook. Hi, I'm Sayoko Murase. Welcome to the weekly market wrap for Friday, May 18th, 2012. The S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the Nasdaq were all sharply lower for the week. Crude oil futures are lower this week, falling 4.3% to around $91.66 per barrel. Gold futures are higher this week, trading at $1,589.95 an ounce. Afternoon trading. In notable economic news this week, initial claims for state unemployment benefits held steady at a seasonally adjusted 370,000, according to the Labor Department. Last week's figure was revised upward to 370,000 from the previously reported 367,000. Analysts expected claims to drop to 365,000 last week. In corporate news this week, Saks announced that it earned $32.1 million or 18 cents per share versus $28.4 million or 16 cents per share in the same period last year. Revenue increased by 3.8% to $753.6 million, below expectations of $361.7 million. Dick's Sporting Goods announced that first quarter net income increased by 53% to $57.2 million or 45 cents per share versus $37.5 million or 30 cents per share in the same period last year. Revenue increased by 15% to $1.28 billion, beating estimates of $1.23 billion. Chico's announced that it earned $53.6 million or 32 cents per share in its most recent fiscal quarter versus $45.9 million or 26 cents per share in the same period last year, beating analyst estimates of 30 cents per share. Revenue increased by 21% to $650.8 million, beating estimates of $628.1 million. The company's revenue was $537.2 million in the same period last year. Target announced that it earned $697 million or $1.04 per share versus $689 million or 99 cents per share in the same period last year. Revenue increased by 5.9% to $16.86 billion. Analysts had expected earnings of $1.02 per share on revenue of $16.83 billion. This is the weekly market wrap for Friday, May 18th, 2012. Please join us on Monday for the week ahead market report. This is Sayoko Murase for PassFail.com, taking you behind the ticker.